Hey, what's happening, Stinky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat. So
Yes,
these are the
sir.
hottest shoes that are coming out from 20 July to 26 July. I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So starting off on 24th of July, we do have an Air Jordan 3. This is for the babies only. These will be coming out in GS sizes, preschool and toddlers. GS sizes will be 150, toddlers will be 75, and preschool will be $90. So overall, this looks like a girl's shoe to me, but comment down below and let me know. But this looks like I wouldn't wear these if I was a male, but I do kind of like these in a way because I think it's a nice colorway for the babies. Predominantly of the upper is white, and it does feature, instead of that regular elephant print, it does what they call this a football gray or football blue. So moving around to the bottom, we do see that blue and that pink pod in the middle. It's a nice touch for the babies. Looking at the tongue, we don't see no special laces in here. Uh-oh, my brother's gonna be mad about that. But looking at that pop of color, I do like that pink Jumpman on the tongue, and does feature some other splashes of color. Overall, this is just a nice piece. I think, especially if you're a female, I will be rocking these just because I think it's a nice colorway for the babies. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I'll be rocking those as well. I'll be rocking those as well. The only reason why I'll be rocking them because I'm gonna support the babies. Hey, they go wear them one day and scuff them up. So that colorway really don't make any sense. But overall, I'll be rocking those. I'll be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on July the 25th, we do have a collaboration with A. Amanir and Jordan 5. Price point for those are going for $225. The raffle for these is already live right now before the drop date. So go ahead and snatch them up. Drop us a comment down below if you get lucky and win that raffle. But I'm liking these shoes. I'm liking these shoes. First, I'm going to start off with the laces. Jordan Brand been listening, right? We talked about the laces, right? So they went ahead and did something different with these laces. I like the all black laces with this shoe. This is a nice, clean shoe, right? I'm really liking what they did with this shoe. This shoe really tells a story. It tells a story, right? I like that upper leather, what they did with it. They incorporated that burgundy on the midsole and then that quilted interior, right? And then with just the logo on the tongue, hey man, this speaks volumes, right? So I'm really liking this shoe. It's a nice, clean summer shoe, right? Price point, kind of sticky with that, but overall, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
Yes, sir. I agree with you. I'll be rocking these as well. It seemed like these had already came out before, but they
Right,
must have been something
right.
similar.
Uh-huh.
Called the Violet Orc. These do feature that elevated price point of 225 because this is a collaboration with A. Amamanier. This is called the A. Amamanier Jordan 5 Black Collective, according to A. Amamanier. These will be releasing as A. Amamanier as well as Social Status and APB. We wish you the best of luck if you want these sneakerheads. Again, I will be rocking these. Let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or adopting these? Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe of the week, in my opinion, this is the hottest shoe of the week. This is the Air Jordan 4. This is called the Rare Air. As you know, I already hit on the Air Jordan 3 Rare Airs. Go ahead and check out that video right there. However, this shoe features an elevated price point of $220. These will be coming out in GS sizes for $160. Kids will be $100. Toddlers and infants will be $85. So again, this comes out on the 26th of July. This does feature that red, white, and blue colorway. Overall, the shoe is black. I do like that suede material and that black mud guard. We see that pop of color on the midsole with that sail. And you look at throughout the midsole, it does have hits of blue and red. We do see the regular Jordan 4 outsole for the bottom of the shoe. The main thing about this shoe, it does have well-featured Nike Air branding on the back. As we look at that back tab in that royal blue, I do think that's a nice touch. And then if you don't know or know, this does have a special patch. These will be a GR version, white lettering, harder to get, gold lettering as well. And the gold lettering is supposed to be more exclusive. So if you're, it's like winning the golden ticket on the Willy Wonka. And if you get the gold ones, they'll be an elevated price point. I am rocking these because I do already have the Jordan 3 rare airs in my collection. I will be going for these as well. Let me know what you think about these, my brother.
You know what? At first glimpse of the shoe looked real busy with different colorways on there. But I'm liking this shoe because I'm a fan of the shoe, right? But for the most part, it just looked like a busy shoe. I like what they did with the sock liner, right? I like how they incorporated that royal blue with that. But overall, it's a nice, clean shoe. And the only reason why I am rocking those because I'm a fan of it. I'm a fan of it. But first glimpse, it just looked very busy, very busy. Overall, it's a nice, clean shoe. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. Yeah, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.